Hello and welcome back to ARCHI Tools. This video is regarding slanted walls in Revit. So I'll be discussing firstly the option which is provided for the versions of 2021 and above. So if I want to make a slanted wall, let's say this is my enclosure and I want the last wall. This is my last wall. I want it to be slanted. So in the properties of the wall, you would find a cross section definition. So if you go on the drop down, you will find slanted. You can provide the angle between minus 90 degrees to plus 90 degrees. So if I want it to be at an angle of 10 degree, I can provide over here. And if I go and check into my 3D, so this is the angle which is provided. If you provide minus 10 degree, it will go at an angle on the other way around. You can also set your angle by using this drag wall pointer over here, and you can move it according to your requirement of the angle. You can find the angle which is being changed. Currently 100 is showing. If I change this, the angle will change. You can also click on this to change the angle. Next, I would be providing my window on this. So if I click on WN and provide my window and go into 3D, so this is a window which is vertical. In order to provide a window along the wall, you just need to select this window, and in the orientation option you would find an option of slanted. So this one would get slanted alongside the wall. Similar way, if I would be providing a door to my slanted wall, you can also make it slanted. But I don't think making a door slanted is a practical way. So you can keep it vertical or slanted based on your requirement. In that case, if you want your door to be vertical, you need to provide a enclosure after that. Using the model place, that can suffice, or you can increase the width of the wall, whatever design element is suitable for your needs. Next is for providing the reveals and wall sweeps. If I just click on this slanted wall, it will move alongside it, since it's a face based, and it will pick the slant of the wall and align it accordingly. The other way to provide your slanted wall would be by using massing and site. This option is beneficial if you have Revit versions 2020 and below, since the option of slanted in the wall category is not available in those versions. You can use the massing and site option to create a slanted wall. Let's see how it's done. I'll go into massing and site, and here I will choose in place mass. Provide the name, whichever you like, and I'll create a very basic rectangle for your understanding. Go into 3D, and here click on this and hit the finish mass option. Click on this and click on create form. Next is you just select this edge over here, and I'll quickly go on to one of the views, and I have selected this angle and I'm able to see. I'll just move this green icon to my desired location, and here your mass has been provided. For precision in your angle, you just need to go into one of the elevations where the angle is visible. I'll go to my level and click on finish. I'll move this one over here and I'll select this view. So it's visible now. I will select and provide my rotation to this line. I will create a line and rotate it to my desired angle, let's say 10 degrees. So this is my rotation. I'll keep it aligned to one of the edge, and again I will go to in place mass edit, select this line and move it along this one. It will snap the line and You can now finish mask and be assured that your angle is 10 degrees now. So this in place mask has been made. Now you can go into wall, and here on the face you just need to click and your wall can be made alongside the face. So this way you can also make the slanted walls, but I would prefer this option if you have newer versions. I hope both the options are clear to you, and now you can create slanted walls easily. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more such content. Keep learning.